Awning windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Meridian due to their stylish design and practical functionality. Hinged at the top, these windows open outward, allowing for excellent ventilation while protecting your home from the rain. Like any window type, awning windows require regular maintenance and cleaning to ensure they continue to perform optimally and look great. Proper care of your awning windows will not only extend their lifespan but also improve their energy efficiency, security, and aesthetics. In this article, we'll provide a comprehensive guide on how to maintain and clean your awning windows in Meridian, ensuring they remain a functional and attractive feature of your home. Regularly inspect and lubricate the mechanism. One of the main features of awning windows is the crank or lever mechanism that opens and closes the window. Over time, this mechanism can become stiff or clogged with dirt, making it difficult to operate the window. To keep your awning windows functioning smoothly, it's important to regularly inspect and lubricate the moving parts. Inspection. Check the window's crank or handle for any signs of damage or wear. If the crank is difficult to turn, or if the window is sticking, it could be due to a buildup of dirt or grime in the mechanism. Lubrication. Apply a light coating of silicone-based lubricant or a dry lubricant to the moving parts of the window. Avoid using oily lubricants as they can attract dirt and dust, which may cause further issues. Lubricating the hinges and crank at least once a year will ensure smooth operation and prevent unnecessary wear. Clean the glass regularly. Cleaning the glass of your awning windows is essential for maintaining visibility, improving curb appeal, and preventing dirt and grime buildup. Because awning windows are often located higher up or in hard-to-reach areas, it's important to clean the glass regularly to avoid any accumulation of dirt or weather-related debris. Choose the right cleaner. Use a non-abrasive, streak-free window cleaner to wipe down the glass. Avoid harsh chemicals or abrasive sponges, as these can damage the glass surface and leave streaks. Washing procedure. Start by applying the cleaner to a soft microfiber cloth or sponge, and gently wipe the glass. Use a circular motion to remove dirt, fingerprints, and any other debris. For hard-to-reach spots, you can use a squeegee to achieve a streak-free finish. Clean frames and trim. While cleaning the glass, be sure to wipe down the frames and trim of the window as well. Dirt and grime can accumulate along the edges, making the window appear dirty even if the glass itself is clean. Use a damp cloth to wipe down the window frame and dry it thoroughly to prevent any moisture from damaging the material. Clear debris and dirt from the window sills and tracks. Awning windows often have sills and tracks that can collect debris, leaves, and dirt, especially if they are installed in areas near trees or shrubs. Clogged sills and tracks can prevent the window from closing properly, and can also contribute to water leakage if not cleaned out regularly. Remove debris. Periodically, inspect the sills and tracks of your awning windows for any debris, such as leaves, twigs, or dirt. Use a small vacuum cleaner or a soft brush to remove any debris that may have collected in these areas. Be sure to also check the corners, as dirt can accumulate there as well. Preventing clogs. Ensure that the drainage holes in the window frame are clear of debris. These holes allow water to escape when it rains, preventing it from pooling inside the window frame and potentially causing water damage. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clear any blockages from these holes. Check the seals and weather stripping. The seals and weather stripping around your awning windows play a crucial role in preventing drafts, water leaks, and energy loss. Over time, the seals can wear down, especially in areas with fluctuating temperatures like Meridian. Regularly inspecting and maintaining these components is essential to keeping your windows energy efficient and secure. Inspection. Check the weather stripping around the edges of the window to ensure it is intact. Look for any cracks, tears, or gaps in the seal. If the weather stripping is damaged, it can allow air or water to enter, reducing the window's performance. Maintenance. If you notice any damage to the weather stripping, replace it promptly. You can purchase weather stripping at most hardware stores, and it is relatively easy to install yourself. Make sure the new weather stripping fits snugly to form a tight seal when the window is closed. Perform regular checks for damage or wear. Maintaining your awning windows also involves regularly checking for any signs of damage. Over time, the window frame, glass, or hardware may become damaged due to environmental exposure, accidents, or wear and tear. Window frame. Check the window frame for any cracks, rot, or damage. Wood frames can be particularly susceptible to moisture damage, so be sure to inspect the frame regularly for signs of warping or wood rot. If you spot any damage, address it promptly to prevent further deterioration. Glass. Inspect the glass for cracks, chips, or fogging. If you notice any damage, such as a broken pane, consider having the glass replaced to maintain both the window's appearance and performance. Hardware. Regularly check the window's hardware, including the hinges and locking mechanism. If the locking mechanism isn't engaging properly or the hinges are loose, have them repaired to maintain the security and functionality of your awning windows. Conclusion. Proper maintenance and cleaning are essential for keeping your awning windows in top condition, ensuring they continue to perform efficiently and enhance the beauty of your home. By following the simple steps outlined in this article, you can extend the lifespan of your windows, improve energy efficiency, and prevent costly repairs down the line. In Meridian, where weather conditions can vary, taking care of your windows is especially important for maintaining a comfortable living space. Regular cleaning, lubrication, and inspection will help your awning windows continue to provide excellent ventilation, protection from the elements, and beautiful views for years to come.